All right, y'all, so they just used the broom on the front porch. It looks phenomenal, y'all. Check this out. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, it looks great. We got the 2 joints right there just in case if anything ever wants to crack or something, it'll go down that joint and it'll go down this joint instead of cracking into here. Obviously you can't prevent everything, the house settles and everything like that, but you can try to prevent things as much as possible. So I'm extremely excited.